Nvidia just keeps on crushing it, guys. Another 3% green days. The entire market did pretty well today, guys. The S&P went up around 0.25%. The Qs and the Russell each went up around 0.75% as the Dow broke even. And the VIX got squashed, man. 5% red day for the VIX. So we have to break down Nvidia, the charts, earnings coming up, as now we're 2 weeks away from earnings, and we're going to go over my thoughts, where my head's at, what I'm looking to do, as it is one of my top holdings right now. So guys, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, join my Patreon if you want to keep up with my portfolio updates, trades, investments. If you want to be a part of my private Discord, all that's linked down below, pinned in the comments, or go to stassurfest.com/Patreon. And now, cheers. Got my good old coffee from Chick-fil-A, guys, and I actually haven't had a coffee from Chick-fil-A ever, I don't think, and this is actually pretty good. And funny enough, they put my name down as Stash, Stash. Yet again, guys, the ongoing joke on the channel here is whenever I go to a Starbucks, a Chick-fil-A, right, they call me Josh, Scott, Walsh, anything but Stas, and I get it. Stas is not so common of a nickname. It's my nickname, by the way, guys. But yeah, either way, got the coffee, we have the water, we're ready to go, guys. Nvidia, like I said, 3% green day today, $7 up, and it looks like we have a bit of a bull flag here on the 5-day 5-minute, which means it could be going higher. And honestly, I think Nvidia might take out 226, which is where it's testing right now. That was the high from the 10th of August, a couple of days ago. I think we're going to take that out, and we're gearing up for that right now. You guys can see on the 4-hour time frame, we're completely breaking out. We have a golden cross, and we did pull back the last couple of days. We got down to about, 217? Yeah, 218, and we can see we clearly put in a bottom for now at the 50 moving average, and we're bouncing off of it here on the 4-hour chart. So if this takes out 225, guys, this thing is going to go berserk heading into earnings, and this is what Nvidia does. This is what it does. It runs into earnings and then it sells off after. At least that's what it has been doing the last couple of earnings reports. So for me, guys, I'm long, obviously, heading into earnings. It's a longer term investment, and on some of my shares, I actually sold some covered calls, and they expire on the 4th of September. I sold the 240 or 235. And a big reason why I did that is obviously to collect the premium. The premiums are elevated right now heading into earnings. And my bet is we're going to run into earnings, but I think afterwards we're going to sell off. Similar to what we've seen. You know, if Nvidia runs to 230, let's say it has a blow off top to 235, 240 into earnings, I feel like we're going to get a sell the news event, and by the time expiration rolls around, we should be under the strike that I sold. And if not, hey, I'm willing to give up some Nvidia shares. It is what it is. I mean, I'm in the stock for a while. I'm up a lot on the stock, so I'm willing to lock in some profits, but I don't think they're going to get called away, my shares. We'll see. But yeah, it's shaping up similar to the last two earnings reports, technically, where we ran into them, got very hot, and then we sold off after earnings. So speaking of earnings, let's talk about where Nvidia is at right now, what the analysts are saying, what they're saying about estimates for EPS, revenue, price targets, buy, rating, sell, or, hold. What are the analysts saying? So we can see right now, if I pull this up quickly, give me a second here, guys. A lot of people think, a lot of these analysts think, well, Nvidia is a buy right now, and I tend to agree. Well, I was buying under 200. I mean, if I didn't have a position now, would I be buying? Maybe not, maybe on a pullback, but I tend to agree. Okay, I can see Nvidia maybe being a buy, honestly, for a lot of people. But for me, since I'm in at a lower price, I'm not buying here, but I'm holding, right? And look, The average target on the street is $302 a share. The high is $500, guys. Think about that. And the low is $180 per share. So obviously, we're on the lower end of this range. And the high target on the street has Nvidia doubling, more than doubling from here, which I got to be honest, these are 12-month targets. That's a bit aggressive. Is Nvidia going to 10 trillion in the next year? I doubt it. Maybe in the next 5 years, okay, now we're talking. But you know, for now, 500's a bit far-fetched. 300 though, now we're talking. I think 300 could be in the cards in the next year, 18 months. As of now, we have 48 buy ratings, 10 strong buy ratings, couple sell, or actually no, excuse me, we have a couple underperform, maybe a couple hold ratings. The average targets on the street, let me show you. Actually, let me pull this up. Well, before we talk about the estimates, look at the market cap. It's at 5.3 trillion right now, and they're trading at 24 times forward earnings. And of course, if their earnings get slashed for any reason, if something out of left field comes and their earnings collapse, which could happen, never say never, who knows? I doubt it, but okay, that could change the stock price, the valuation drastically. But as of now, based on the projections, the forward PE rather, is a 24. Think about that, with the trailing PE at 33. And wait till you see what they're projecting when it comes to the estimates here, guys. Unbelievable. So based on 42 analysts for this quarter they're about to report for, the average revenue estimate is almost $92 billion. A year ago they did $46 billion. And last I checked, 46 to 92, that's a double up. So they're projecting, analysts are 96% growth year over year on the top line. And looking at EPS, based on 40 analysts, the average estimate is $2.08, and a year ago they did $1.05, $1.05. So EPS is going to double pretty much as well. So EPS is doubling, revenue's doubling, and for the current year, we can see the average estimate for EPS is $9, and a year ago they did $4.77 on, let's see, the revenue. The average revenue estimate is $393 billion for the current year versus last year's $215 billion estimate, or not estimate, but actual revenue number. That's 82% growth year over year. So guys, Nvidia, yeah, their growth is going to slow down in 28 over the next couple of years, but as of right now, you're paying 24 times forward earnings, and you're getting a company growing at 100% on the top line, wildly profitable, crazy margins, crazy moat around the business. And to me, it's almost a no-brainer to hold the stock. And again, if you're not in the stock, you could argue it's a good buy even at these levels, even as it's up as much as it is. There's so much good news that we've gotten, you know, Nvidia clicking up with the big boys on Wall Street, Blackstone, BlackRock, Goldman, right? You name it. We got news regarding SpaceX. They're going pretty much exclusive with Nvidia with their chips. I mean, there's so much good news we've gotten recently, and the stock, I mean, look, the stock has run. It's run off the lows, but it kind of didn't run as much as you would have thought on that, Wall Street news we got and on the SpaceX news that we got. But it kind of seems like now it's starting to digest that and it's starting to run. Again, it's bouncing off this low, or not this low, but this moving average. We're putting in a higher low, and I think if this stock takes 225 out, 226, this could be an absolute runner into earnings. But again, don't get too excited because, quite frankly, I think we could run more, but I think a pullback post earnings is coming, and I could be wrong. Maybe we rip to 250 after earnings and my shares get called away, some of my shares at least. That could happen, but based on history, there's a decent chance we sell off into earnings. Or maybe, look, there's still 2 weeks till earnings. Maybe we pop over the next couple of days. We got a blow off top rally and we pull back into earnings. We'll see. Either way, Nvidia's on fire. Bulls are in charge. I think there's more upside in the short term than downside. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And again, I'm long. Obviously, it's one of my top holdings in my portfolios. I'm excited for the report, and it's been doing pretty well over the last couple of days. What more could you ask for, right, guys? And of course, long term, it's been crushing it, right? So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe and join my Patreon. I'm telling you guys, if you want to be a part of my private Discord community, see my portfolio updates, see how I build my portfolio, how I invest, trade, how I sell options to create income in the portfolio. All of that's on Patreon. Link down below, pinned in the comments, in the bio, in the description box, or go to stassurfest.com/Patreon. I'll see you guys in there. And with that being said, cheers. Have a great rest of your day.